Jamboard is a free tool from Google that allows you to create collaborative whiteboards. You're going to go to jamboard.google.com to access it. It was initially designed as a software application for a physical board, but it is something that can be used on any web-enabled device. So I'm in my Jamboard. You can see I have a couple of recent jams. A jam is considered a collaborative document. I can see what jams are owned by me. I can also organize them. So I'm going to hit this plus and it's going to open up. So this is a Jamboard. Think of it as a online whiteboard. It allows me to change the background if I want to do grids, which would be great for graphing activities. I can do colors. I can utilize tools. Ideally, this is a tool that you would use with an interactive LED panel or smartboard where you can use the writing utensils. So it is accessible as a desktop app, but you would want to have ability, a touch interface or a stylus in order to really get maximum use out of it. But notice I've got all the pen tools, highlighter tools, my eraser, my select. I can do digital sticky notes, which can label them and have different colors. I've got a sticky note on my board here. That item can be resized. I can double click on it and I can add to that item. I can add in images, so I can upload or drag files to a Google image search, Google Drive, as well as photos. Now I also have the ability to highlight with like a laser pointer. So this is great for presentation. So if I'm trying to highlight and talk about different content. So it has pagination, so I can have multiple pages, create a new frame so I can go back and forth. Notice I can toggle back and forth between my two. This is an interactive whiteboard, but what's powerful about this is that I can share it and it becomes a collaborative experience. So right now it's only available to me, but I can share it via link or I can email collaborators and I can work collaboratively on this whiteboard application.